Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shawna and I'm so very appreciative to all my viewers and subscribers. So if you're new to this channel, click the subscribe button down below. So today I'll be preparing a one-pot meatless red peas soup. Stay tuned and watch as I prepare this meal. Here are the ingredients for our meatless soup. I soaked 1.5 cup of kidney beans. You can soak it overnight, but I did it about 4 hours ago. And I have 2 cups of flour, and you cannot have a red pea soup without your dumplings. That is a must. 1 medium-sized corn, pumpkin. I'll put the quantity of the ingredients in the description down below. 2 stalks of scallion, a bunch of thyme, 1 scotch bonnet pepper, 2 sweet potato, 2 Irish potato, 1 medium-sized plantain, 2 carrots, butternut, 1 pumpkin flavored hot mix, and 1 vegetable soup. So these are our ingredients for our meal. I added about 4 cups of water to the red peas. So I will pressure this for 20 minutes, depending on how soft or how hard you want your peas to be. I like mine a bit soft, so I will pressure it for 20 minutes. While the peas is being pressured, I will just go ahead and dice the vegetables. I'll start with the Irish. Do you know that red pea soup is a high protein meal? So for us who are not meat eaters, this is a very good way to get our proteins in. And red pea soup is normally cooked in the Caribbean, Jamaica where I'm from, on a Saturday, mostly on a Saturday. I'm cooking soup on a Sunday because I don't have a specific time to eat any meal. Anything I feel for, that's what I'll dice these. I like my vegetables cut in small pieces. I don't want them to be big. Pumpkin, I will cut these big because I want to crush them in the soup so that it gives it more flavor and a nicer color. You have to press down on the corn itself. That's how I get to cut it, to apply some pressure while you're turning it. Add some water to the bowl so that they stay fresh until I'm ready to put them in the pot. I transfer the cooked peas from the pressure cooker to a pot, and I added more water, and it's now boiling. So I now add all my ground vegetables except my plantain. So I will let this cook for 10 minutes. I will now knead the flour. You can add salt to it. I'm not adding any salt. I will add salt to the pot itself. Add some water, then you mix with your hands, get it together. Add more water. Just a little more water for the excess flour on the side. is finished, I just put it aside until I'm ready to use it. Now that the pumpkin is cooked, I will crush the pumpkins. As I mentioned before, it gives it more flavor, adds more richness to the soup. I'm going to add the dumplings to the pot, and I will make these quite small. What you need to do is to grab some of the dough, roll it around in your hands, shape off a ball, then squeeze it down in the middle. I love dumplings in my soup, and drop it in the pot. I will now make what we call spinners back in Jamaica. I'm not sure what you call it in your country or your island. You can drop me a comment and let me know if it's called spinner. So I'll roll it so it's, the one I did first was oval or the circular shape. Now this one has a long, this one is long. Guys, as you can see, this is a 1-pot meal. So I'll now add them to the pot. Has everything in there. Again, you can add whatever veg. Now is a good time to add water if your pot needs more water. So what I did, I washed and chopped 1 stalk of the scallion because my vegan cousin told me not to waste the vegetables, but I will keep 1 whole because this is how I'm used to adding scallion to the soups. Add the thyme and the pepper. Guys, this smells lovely already. I can smell the thyme and the scallion, giving it a lot of flavor, guys. I will add half of this veggie soup mix and half of the pumpkin soup mix. So I will leave this to cook for another 10 minutes so you can taste it, and if it needs additional salt, you can add salt to it, but I do not like salt that much, so I will not add anything more to it. I'll just let it cook. Our soup is now ready, and I'll make a plate, and this is our finished meatless Jamaican red pea soup. And this looks, it's not so thick. I really don't like thick soup. You can see the different colors, the corn, the dumpling. Guys, it has a sweet taste to it because of the sweet potato, and I can't have my red pea soup without sweet potato, so that gives it a nice flavor and it thickens it. And I mentioned I crushed the pumpkin, that also add a certain thickness to the soup and certain consistency, and this is how I love my soup. So guys, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, share my recipe with your family and friends. Until next time, see you, have a good weekend, and I appreciate all of you.